Okay, hey guys, you're back.
So the other thing that we have done, Caitlin, is what did you do with the oven?
I put it to 350 degrees.
Right. So we preheated the oven, right? Is what
Yeah.
you call it.
Okay, so...
What's the temperature right now on the oven?
325.
Okay, so we're almost there, right?
Wait, I don't understand. Why is it getting lower?
It's not getting lower.
It was 350 degrees before.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
No. It said, what temperature do you want to set it to? And you said 350 degrees. Then you hit start. Then it started saying low because it was too low a reading for it to tell you what temperature it was. Because I think it's set to tell you temperature from about 180 or 200 degrees and higher. So it said low. And now it's climbing. What does it say now?
Oh, 339.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So what do we have here? We have 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, a cup of water.
Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix.
We don't have to do a commercial for Betty Crocker. It doesn't matter what you're using, just follow the instructions.
Who is Betty Crocker?
Who was Betty Crocker?
Oh.
I don't know. I don't even know if Betty Crocker was real or not.
Really?
Yeah. She could be fake, like Uncle Ben.
Uncle Ben is fake?
Or Aunt Jemima.
She's fake too?
Yeah, they are.
I always thought she was like this lady who really liked sweets.
Or Mrs. Butterworth.
I've never heard of her.
Mrs.
That's a strange
Butterworth?
name.
Oh wow. She had she's syrup.
Aunt Jemima's the
Pancake
best.
syrup. The bottle shaped like a lady. That's good.
Oh, I've seen that one.
I thought so. Alright, so go ahead and pour that in. We're going to go ahead and use a mixer on this, alright? And so when you have all of this flour or mixture in here, when you put it in, go ahead and, you want to drop it down? No. Drop the paddle down in.
Oopsies.
Gently, it's extremely heavy. Lock it into place, okay? Now, we're going to put some water in, so why don't you put a little bit of water in.
And we can put it in as we mix it.
Just a little bit right now. More. Okay, that's good. And let's go ahead and start mixing. Now, very important, you want to start it out on the lowest setting, because if you don't, then what will happen? Do you know?
No.
The paddle will spin so fast that you'll get flour going all over the place.
Oh.
And it will have to stop so you can clean up.
And we'll have to buy another mix.
Something like that.
That smells good.
Yeah, it does. You want some here?
Very good.
Put yourself this.
Mm-hmm.
This is rocking. I don't like the way it's rocking.
Is that better, Daddy?
This is coming out. This pin almost sticks together. So let's move this around a little bit. Okay, there we go. See? Now it's better, right?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
I didn't really see something like that.
I felt it. My hand was up there. Okay, so
It's
when you add some more
still-
water, it's got to be some movement.
What about the oil?
Not yet.
It's shaking it in.
No, it's okay. Go ahead. You can add it all slowly. Just wait, slowly. Just the way you're doing it. Okay, stop. Actually. Alright, we need to get a spatula, right, for scraping things down.
I like the white spatula. The big white one, not the tiny one or the red one.
I don't see it, so there we go for now. Here.
I'll just use this one because it's better. It's bigger.
Bigger is not necessarily better.
It is better. Okay. So now what do I do? Do I...
Stop. You need to stop it. You need to unlock that, lift it, scrape down the sides. Don't worry about the paddle. The sides of the container.
But it's not even...
See, there's some powder over there. See it? Okay. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. Alright. Now when you take this out, okay, stop, that's good. When you take this out, you don't want to lose your batter, so what do you want to do? Wipe it off on the batter. Make sense?
And then you can do this, right?
Drop that down. Alright, so you want to put that off to the side?
What? Oh, the paddle?
Yeah, this spatula. Let's put it on the edge of the sink, okay? So it doesn't get anything dirty. And go ahead and start her up. No, down one. Good. Let's put some water, more water in. And pour the rest of it in. Okay. And turn it up a little bit, I think. Turn it. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Add some oils. No, the eggs actually. Let's turn this down. Good. Alright, straight into the sink. Okay. You can turn that up a little bit. Just one step. Good. See, one step. It's moving much faster, right? Okay.
Remember when we put it on 10 months and we were making banana bread and that powder went all over the place?
Turn it down again. And pour your oil in slowly. Right? So you drizzle it like you did with the water. That gives it a chance to mix and incorporate in.
Oops, I spilled a little bit of oil. It was just a drop
Okay.
though.
What does the oil do? Do you know? Any idea?
I don't know.
So,
Don't we need baking soda?
nope, it's all in the mix. So more than anything, more than any other kind of cooking, baking is science. Yeah. Ugh.
You know I hate science.
Measurements are important. So things like the amount of flour. Do you know why we have the eggs in there?
Right.
Eggs help to. It's called a binder, right? So it helps to bind things together, make them hold together. Don't be too mean. Do you know why we have oil?
Why?
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Turn it off. Turn it off. You don't want to overdo it. Why do we have oil? Oil adds a lot of moisture. Okay? So let's let that just drip for a few moments. Alright? Let's try to keep our work area clean, so let's throw these things away. It's much easier in the long run if you can clean your workstation as you go instead of waiting at the very end, so you have space, okay?
Okay.
It doesn't all have to come off, so we're looking pretty good there, okay?
Should we wash the spatula thingy off?
We don't need to right now because we're probably going to use the spatula again
Okay.
because we want to try and get as much mixture out of the mixing bowl as we can. Okay. So before we do anything with the mixing bowl, there's something else that they don't mention as an ingredient, but the box says you want to put it in a greased pan.
You have the grease right here.
Yeah.
Then what are you doing? Where did you put the pan? Just
Can you
put
hit
grease
pause,
on my
please?
shirt.
Hit pause. So I'm a big believer in trying to keep your workstation as clean as you can. It makes things easier down the road. So when it's time, alright, we have something that we'll do to help keep everything clean when we take the bowl away and the paddle's still there. But the container, the box talks about oiling your pan. Okay? Now, the pan, or the box will tell you about what you need to do depending on the type of pan. Some of them you don't need to do anything, other things you do. Okay? So let's take a look here. It says, if you're going to, for oiling, it says, can you find it? I'm looking for it, because I know there's a little different thing. Up here. If you have a shiny metal or glass pan, or you're baking at 325 degrees, for a dark or non-stick pan, this is non-stick and it's dark, so you need to change the temperature from 350 to 325, right?
It's at 350.